Wagwan, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Nino. Today I'm going to be making for you a spinach omelet with cheese, and to that I'm going to add some assorted peppers as well as some onions. So stay tuned as we get this dish started. So this is a list of our ingredients we're going to be using today. We've got a little pat of butter, a couple of, just about a half of one medium-sized onion slice, a half of pepper, but we pretty much a quarter because we've got a yellow and red pepper. We've got a half a cup of assorted cheese, a cup of spinach, 3 eggs, of course, and we've got salt and pepper and some olive oil in the back. And of course, we've got our frying pan. We're all set to go. So the first thing we're going to start with today is we're going to be getting our eggs cracked. Okay, so we've got 3 eggs. We're going to get them cracked into a bowl as we get it ready for our omelet. And for our egg, we're going to add some freshly ground black pepper, as well as some sea salt, just a kick of sea salt. All right, and then we got to get our eggs all beaten up. The stove is turned up at a medium heat. And I'm just going to give it a little splash of olive oil. And the reason for the olive oil is so when you put the butter in the pan, it takes a lot longer to burn. It requires burning at a very low temperature because it's butter. So we want to get that butter melted in there. Let's get our onions in there. As we start to get a little bit of a sizzle going on. And we're also going to add our peppers. And we're just going to get that to cook up and saute nicely. So as we get our onions and our peppers going, we're going to add to that our spinach. A cup of spinach, we get it in there. And it's all going to be wilted ever so nicely. Just a hit of salt and pepper. And at the same time, we've got our eggs going. We're going to be putting in our eggs shortly. And the key to making an omelet and make it successfully is to ensure that once you put the egg mixture in the pan, that you continue to move the mixture around in order to allow all the eggs to cook and the omelet to form. Okay, so here we got our spinach just about wilted to the point of being able to add our eggs. And of course, you know, with an omelet is something that you can eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And you can use just about any kind of vegetable or meat filling that you so desire. Okay, it's all a preferential thing when it comes to an omelet. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to be adding in my egg mixture. Give it a little beat before we put it in and just pour it all over. And as we put it all in, we just get a rubber spatula and we just kind of help the mixture to just spread out. Just spread the mixture and just combine the mixture. And as you pull the liquid, as the eggs get a little bit solid on the bottom, you pull that up, we allow the wet stuff to drain to the bottom a bit, and that allows the omelet to cook fully. Get a little bit of moisture, we just continue shaking it around. I think you're all set up. Now you can certainly leave it like this, or you can add a lid to the top, which will allow it to steam a little bit more, but I'm going to choose to just give it a little flip. Okay, give it a little flip. Once I get my little flip going, I'm going to add my cheese. And at this point, just allow the cheese to melt a little bit. Okay, and I can turn the stove off. And with that, my omelet is ready. It's just a matter of plating it. We've got a spinach and cheese omelet. And to this, I'm going to be adding some fresh fruits. I've got some papaya as well as some pineapple all cut up. So I've just added some fresh pineapple as well as some papaya to my omelet, and it looks absolutely delicious. And I tell you, I just can't wait to dig in. So if you like this episode and would like to see more, please go to YouTube, subscribe, like, and hit that bell. And we will see you soon for the next episode.